Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance. I actually did this analysis yesterday, so that's where this green line's coming from. But I'm going to go ahead and use this for a near-term level of support. Sure, $1.45 still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines all over the place with clutter. So I'll just go ahead and use this so we can keep things as clean as possible. First level of support, and what I would call the ideal level of support going into tomorrow, is right up here at $1.78, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Definitely staying up above $1.78. Now, don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below that area, does that mean the entire chart's ruined? I'm not saying that at all, but that would definitely be, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that area, a huge sign of power. Next level of support after that would be the bottom of this little consolidation area right here at $1.65. So $1.78, $1.65, two of those near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from a big picture point of view. So this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to gauge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the price action's in full control, however you can best visualize that. Again, yeah, staying up above $1.78 would be great, but from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to focus on those right now because in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. It's all about going through some healthy consolidations and building higher lows, because as long as higher lows are being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed, and that's the name of the game. So no doubt about it, nice movement today. We'll see if the bulls can begin constructing higher lows or not.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.